Snoring is noisy breathing while sleeping. The sound of snoring occurs when air passes through the narrow passages of the nose and throat, and the soft tissues at the back of the narrow passage vibrate and flutter. Poor muscle tone in the throat and tongue leads to these tissues to fall back during sleep, obstructing the airway. These tissues often become bulky, especially with an increase in weight. Tissues may also become lax and collapse the airway enough to cause a complete cessation of air to pass through, leading to a condition called apnea. While snoring is perceived as a social problem, apnea is a medical condition referred to as obstructive sleep apnea syndrome. Snoring is more common in men as compared to women.